I'm gonna do a hair tutorial on the Shea Moisture, the red palm oil and cocoa butter. So I already used the detangling shampoo in the shower, and the texture is very liquidy, so just so you're aware of that. Not only that, it felt really great on my hair. It felt soft and everything. So the next product I'm gonna use is the leave-in or rinse out conditioner. So I'm gonna use it as a leave-in. I didn't use it in the shower. So we can go ahead and try that out. Doesn't really have a smell to it. If you heard that, that's my daughter. She's still awake. She's supposed to go down for her nap, but she doesn't want to, so there's that. So hope you guys don't mind. I think I'm gonna do a voiceover just because I think my daughter is not gonna quite go to sleep yet. So yeah, voiceover, here we go.
Okay, so what I'm pretty much going to do is distribute the product all throughout my hair. Okay, the next product I'll be using is the Curl Stretch. And the fragrances pretty much smelled the same. There was nothing excited about it. I wasn't too crazy about the texture of it. Okay, the next product I'm going to use is the styling gel, and for this part I am sectioning off my hair. So this is a really watery texture, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to rake the product through my hair. I am not going to use my diamond brush, so this is the method I'm using instead. And here I'm just showing you that I'm just dipping my fingers barely in the product and doing that to rake it through my hair. And this is towards the end of raking the product all through the hair, and this is just the top portion of my hair. I do section it to the split I want, so the style will be there when it dries. Okay, here I decided not to use the Reshaping Shine Butter, and now I'm just gonna dry my hair with a towel. It is not a microfiber towel, but it doesn't cause too much frizz on my hair. I actually really like them. It is like a polyester one. Now I'm gonna wait 1 hour. So here I decided to try the Reshaping product after all. And if you receive the product, you know it looks like a body scrub. So once you started rubbing it together, of course it feels like a scrub, but once you keep rubbing and rubbing, it becomes like an oily texture. Okay, so it's been about an hour and I am going to diffuse my hair. I ended up diffusing my hair for about 10 minutes, and I was going back and forth from warm and cold air.
Okay, so this is the finished result. I absolutely love the products. So I am going to talk about a little bit about the products. So pretty much I love the shampoo, I love the conditioner, I love the styling gel. That felt nice. I wasn't too crazy about the Curl Stretch product. It felt a little dry in my hair. I know that sounds kind of funny, but maybe my hair needed to be more damped, or maybe I needed to use the gel first and then this, but I'll try it over again. I just didn't really like how it felt in my hair. And then the big one was the Reshaping Shine Butter. So I did have a subscriber ask me if her product looked like mine. She said hers had like oil in hers, mine didn't. So If you receive this product, it does look like a scrub, like a face scrub, body scrub. So once you rub it together, you'll see that it becomes like an oily texture. I actually really like it. My only thing is I didn't know it was become an oily texture. Most of the times when I use oil products, when my hair is damped, a lot of like oil and water don't really mix, so I always get more frizz in my hair. So I do have a little bit of frizz, but not that bad. I actually really like how the hair turned out. So if you guys received these products, let me know what you guys got, what you liked, what you didn't like, and give this video a thumbs up if you like to see more of these videos. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.